Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to your healing meditation. In today's meditation, we will connect to the healing power of the waves and of the ocean, allowing the ocean to hold and support our healing. So allow yourself to fully land here. Connect to your body and to your breath. Taking some breaths in and out. Allowing yourself to hear the sound of the waves. And surrendering into this sound, all of which you're ready to let go and to release. Surrendering your body into the waves, allowing them to take care of you, to heal you at an even more deeper level. Feel how the healing waters are washing over any painful spots, any painful memories. How you're able to just give that which you couldn't give before, that was so hard to leave behind. Just feel how it's melting in the waves and it's fully releasing and letting go. How your entire body is being taken care of and nourished. How with every in and out breath, you're going a little bit deeper. And how with every in and out breath, you are feeling a little bit more positive, a little bit more better, more strong, and more resilient. Surrendering into the waves, you're completely safe here. This is a safe space. And through the breath, releasing just a little bit more of anything that you no longer need. With the next out breath, handing over just a little bit more of any of those memories or times that feel hurtful. Anything that you're ready, your soul is ready to let go. And just being fully with our breath. In a couple of moments, we will come back to our physical body. Slowly, slowly we'll return back to the here and now. Slowly feel your body in the here and now. Slowly open your eyes. And enjoying a few more moments of positivity, of a good feeling, and landing here fully. Maybe there's a smile on your face, feeling a little bit better now. And I look forward to seeing you in the next meditation.